baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gon' go.
Hi everyone, Elizabeth here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys another DIY. Okay, Christmas is coming, you guys. OMG. The fall is here. Then Thanksgiving is here. Next is Christmas. And all these stores are already putting out the Christmas items. OMG. Yeah, so I said, you know what? Let me start getting some Christmas decor ideas in there. I'm so excited about Christmas, but I kind of feel like society is pushing these holidays on us way too early. You know, that's just my opinion. Because we're not even quite through Thanksgiving and they're already putting Christmas in our face. Yeah, they are. They started. Oh boy. Anyways, I'm going to jump on the bandwagon too and start thinking about what I'll be doing for Christmas. And like I said, I'll be sharing each of these ideas with you guys. Yeah, so let's get into what I'm making and the items. And you know, the items will be listed down below in the description box of everything that I use and where I get them. And then I'll show you guys also what I'm using. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright everyone, here are the items that we'll be using. And I wanted to share them with you. These are some new candle holders from the Dollar Tree, you guys. Aren't they super cute? They're silver and they're just so nice. Okay, here is the code on the back for anybody who would like to see. I don't know if they have them online, but you can check. And that's, I guess, those are the codes that you'd have to enter to see. Yeah, but they are so nice. And they also come in the gold. The gold's a different shape one. Here it is. And let me show you the back. I'm not sure if it's the same code for the gold. But that's the code so you can check. Like I said again, I don't know if they're online. You'll have to check for that. I didn't check. They're super cute. Alright everyone, that's everything we'll be using and they will be listed down below in the description box also. So let's get into this DIY. Okay, we have our candle holder and we have our silver beads. And we're just going to use our hot glue and glue them all around to from the bottom of the candle holder right up to the top. And now we have our gold beads with the candle holder. We're just going to repeat the same step like we did with the silver, from the bottom to the top. And now with these candle holders, we're going to place our bling gems going all the way around with our hot glue. And now we're going to take the gems and just go around the stem, going all the way down the stem with our bling gems. And now it's time to attach our candle holders together using the E6000 and our hot glue. So we're just going to place the E6000 going all the way around the top of the tall candle holder and some at the bottom of this one. And we're also going to use some hot glue to hold it right now and just place them together. And we're going to do the same thing again with the gold ones with the hot glue and the E6000. And I'm going to have them set overnight, you guys, so they will dry firm and hold into place. And just place something on top of them to keep them firm while they're drying. And here's our finished look, everyone. I think they look super cute. They look so nice and blingy, nice for the Christmas season. A lovely piece of Christmas home decor. And they were so quick and easy, you know, and using Dollar Tree items. I think they turned out very nice. Alright everyone, tell me what you think about these lovely candle holders. These lovely Christmas decor candle holders with items from the Dollar Tree. Tell me what you think about them and give me a like, press that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, press the subscribe button and hit the bell so you will be notified. And I think you have to hit the bell twice, you guys. That's what they're saying. You have to hit the bell twice to get the notifications, so you'll be notified whenever I upload another DIY to share with you guys. And thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did today. And remember, as always, stay blessed. From Petal is Blessed. Bye-bye, everyone.